A farmer killed by lightning while fetching cows from his backyard. The name of the deceased is Bishambar Vaishya. His age is approximately 51, housed under Tripura police station in Champlai village area.
According to the family sources today, Thursday afternoon at approximately 4:30 p.m., there suddenly started a heavy rain, after which Bishambar Vaishya went to fetch his cow from the backyard. At that time, there was a sudden loud sound of thunder. The family members rushed to see Bishambar lying on the ground. He was immediately rescued from there and brought to Tripura Sub-Divisional Hospital, where the doctors declared him dead.
কি নাম ওনার?
বিশাম্বর বৈশ্য।
বয়স কত?
আনুমানিক 50-52।
কি করেন তিনি?
কৃষিকাজ।
কৃষিকাজ করেন। কোন জায়গায় বাড়ি করছে?
তেলিয়ামরা চাম্পলাই।
At present, his body has been kept at the Tripura Sub-Divisional Hospital morgue for post-mortem. After the post-mortem on Friday, the dead body of the farmers will be handed over to the family. Reporter Bihiranmai from Tripura, Chini, Khorang.